On the 5th of May 2019, a Sukhoi Superjet 100 managed by Aeroflot Airlines crashed at Sheremetyevo Airport. The aircraft was scheduled to fly from Moscow to Murmansk. Upon its return back to Moscow, the plane had a number of rough landings that led to its significant damage and fire. 41 passengers died, whilst 37 managed to survive. "5th of May 2019, Sheremetyevo Airport, 5:17 p.m. The crew prepares for the upcoming flight to Murmansk. Denis Evdokimov, a 47-year-old captain in command, is an experienced pilot with over 6,800 flight hours. Prior to Superjet 100, he flew the IL-76 as border control and Boeing